Child, I died on the cross because you are worth everything to me. My love is not fleeting, it is eternal. I see your heart and your longing for acceptance, and I give myself fully to meet that need. Nothing can undo the love I poured out for you. Every moment of suffering, every drop of blood, was because I wanted to reconcile you to God. Trust in my sacrifice and rest in my promises. I am with you through every trial and every tear. My love surrounds you like a shield, protecting and strengthening you. You are forgiven, cherished, and secure forever. Receive my grace and let it renew your spirit. I am Jesus and I love you beyond comprehension. This love is eternal, unwavering, and yours to embrace.